All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verb. So contain, contain, contain. Well, look at that. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Contain. Yeah. So to have something within it, inside. Yeah. To put something away, to contain it, contain something. The jewellery is contained in it. Yeah. The sweets are contained in the glass box. Yeah, like here. Let's change that. Hold on. Here in the glass box. Yeah, they're contained within. The vaults all contain the treasure. All the jewels are contained in the vault. Yes, the vault, contained within. Yes, so to have something within it. Have something within it, yes, within it. It has been contained in that tomb for a long time. So put something away. Yeah. He has been contained in the prison for a long time. Contained in the prison for a long time. Long time. Do you want to contain it now? Yeah. Shall we contain it now? Maybe, yeah. We need to contain it. We need to contain it in a container. Container, a kind of box. Like this, a small glass container. It will be contained soon enough. We will contain it soon. It has to be contained. It has to be contained in a metal cage, for example. Metal cage, yes. Yeah. How cool is that? So, contain, yeah. To have something within it and put something away. Contained, contain, contained, containing. We are containing it now. Containing it now. Now. So, yeah, can you come up with your own sentence? Yeah, comment below. And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram and YouTube. Yeah, when you search for English with Adrian. English with Adrian. Or Adrian Nanchev, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.